just from Pat McGrath Fetish. No, it's Fetish. So much thought into this foundation line. Like a fragrance box. This is the new Pat McGrath excited to talk about this new foundation. Today is the 1st of August and I purchased this last week and I believe it launched on, I think actually a week ago, last Friday. So I haven't had an opportunity to film this video, and today I did my eyes. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I filmed another video and I just carefully wiped off the complexion and I think I did a darn good job. Right here, I still have my eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So I was like, you know what? I really want to try this foundation, so this is what we're gonna do. This is Pat McGrath's brand new spanking foundation. I believe she came out with 3 new products and this is the foundation I got. As always, before I get to the demo review, first impressions, I'm gonna read a little bit about this on the Sephora's website. This is the new Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. This is an exclusive product with Sephora, values at $68, and they offer 36 shades. This product has only been out for a week and so far there is 443 reviews on their website and there's so many likes with this heart here. I think this is going to be an excellent formulation. Even with myself, even just shade matching on my own hand, I thought this formulation was to die for. One thing that I value with this company, Pat McGrath actually is an amazing makeup artist. She is a woman of color, but she does offer an amazing shade range. I mean, from 0 to 100. There's no jumps or large gaps in between shades. She actually puts so much thought into her makeup line and offers so many shades. So what does this foundation do? A long-wearing, customizable foundation that builds from sheer to medium coverage in a wide range of universal hues that manifest the ultimate sublime skin standard. This gives you a medium coverage, natural finish. This is a traditional liquid foundation. This is great for normal, dry combination and oily complexion. So the highlighted ingredients is that it has ultimate polymers that provides a lasting wear, ultimate smoothness, and a luminous finish. So here's a little fun fact that I learned from one of the Sephora girls. Pat McGrath helped out to create the Luminous Silk Foundation by Armani Beauty. So I could understand where this luminous silk comes from and I'm so excited to try this on. It also has high purity pigment treated with amino acids, deliver enhanced wear for a creamy feel, and controlled easy buildable coverage. Diamond Core Powder. Ooh, I love anything that has diamond powder because it gives you that blurring kind of filtered without using a filtered kind of look. Yes. So the Diamond Core Powder enhances radiant and skin, luminosity, and decreases appearance of imperfection. So that's where the filter, no filter comes into play. Another amazing ingredient call out that this is free of paraben. So there's actually so many skincare benefits included in this foundation. So for more information, if you guys want to read more of it, I'll go ahead and put all the links down below for you guys. Real quick, I'm just going to jump over to the Pat McGrath's website really quickly because I was surfing through it and I found so many great things of this product. So here are some ingredient callouts. It's formulated without paraben, like I mentioned, talc and fragrance free, and it also doesn't contain any oils. It also contains hyaluronic acid that Sephora's website did not list, and it does list all the other skincare benefits. Also, there's a payment plan on Pat McGrath's website. If you can't afford to pay for this foundation one time, you can actually do a payment plan, which is so awesome. Like, what makeup company does that? But anyways, I'm not gonna ramble on anymore. I'll put everything in the info box for you guys. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open this package because I'm so excited. So this is how the package looks like. And to me, first impressions, it looks like a fragrance because it's small, it's little, tiny little guy, and it has a plastic wrapper. I don't remember the last time I purchased a foundation that has a plastic wrap. Actually, come to think about it, I think it was the Luminous Silk that I purchased that had a plastic wrap. So another fun fact that ties in to relations with Pat McGrath. If you guys can think of another foundation that comes in a plastic wrapper, comment below because I'm curious. I think Estee Lauder does. I don't know. I can't open this. All right. Woo. So here is how the package looks like. First impression, I love the package. Nice matte black with gold details. I like this goldness here. It's so pretty. So it has a flap here where we're going to open in just a second. The front has gold letters. It just said Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. This is not a traditional 1 ounce, but it is a 1.18. So that is a plus for her. Back has all the ingredients on here. Very nice and easy to read. Although it's small, the black and gold has a beautiful contrast. You can read it right off the bat. So it does say Shake Well. It does say distributed by Pat McGrath Cosmetics, New York, New York. Oh, is she from London? Great Britain, London, Belgium, UK. Made in Italy. Now this will last up to 12 months after opening. So just keep that in mind with that little jar with that 12M. Sometimes you could say 6M, 12M, or 24Ms. That's what it means. This is my color here, which is light medium 10. I hope I'm not too light. I mean, it felt like I got a little tan, but I didn't. I don't know. I think I need to go back to Hawaii. Ooh, it's like a cigarette box, but a fancier one. I'm just kidding. I don't smoke. So it opens like this, and we'll just open it like this. This is so pretty. So first impressions on this, once again, it looks like a fragrance. I like how there's no labels, but just the front. So it really looks so luxurious. I mean, she's still categorized in the luxe line. It does look like a fragrance, which is really cute. It's very nice. And the bottom just has the shade name, and it just is a pretty gold sticker. Let's just go ahead and open it. Another plus, it's a pump. Let's see if we can open this. Oh, you can't. You know, sometimes you can open this to get like everything out. So that's one thing you can't do. You can't open it, guys. So if this happens to be the bottom of the barrel, you might have to crack and open it. It's just gonna be painful to break a beautiful package like this, and also it's dangerous, guys. I'm using the new Sephora Collections reformulated moisturizer that has hyaluronic and also a glow. That's what I'm wearing right now. I'll go ahead and get a little close-up to show you my bare skin. Don't be scared. A lot of red spots, a lot of freckles. That is just me. So I'm gonna shake well, and I'm gonna put one pump on the back of my hand. So far, it looks like a neutral shade. On camera looks really yellow, but it actually is a neutral shade. Wow, look at that. So we're just gonna blend that out on my hand to see how this looks like. Let's smell it. Rose? A little goes a long way. My hands are kind of dry right now, so you may see some patches there, a little separation. It's just my hands. All right, let's just go ahead and color match myself and see. It's covering my red spots, which is what I really wanted to do. To be honest, I think it's slightly lighter than my actual complexion, so I may need to exchange this for a warmer shade. Maybe I should have gotten a color that's medium and not in the light. For some reason, the medium shades was just a little bit too warm, but we'll see how this goes. For this demo, I'm actually gonna use my Givenchy blender. First impressions of this foundation, it is a little bit more on the medium side, buildable, as I'm going over my jawline once again. It's really skin finish, which is really pretty. For the scent, I don't know what this is in here. It's not bothering me, but I don't like it, but I don't dislike it. But at the same time, I don't think it's rose or anything floral, which is kind of cool because sometimes I don't really want to smell so rosy. I mean, anything that has like fragrance, it kind of turns me off a little bit sometimes. I don't like it. Now, I'm just using the blender and I'm building. Second application here. I might have to redo my eyebrows a little bit because when I was wiping off the other foundation, I wasn't as careful. Ooh, do you guys hear my stomach growling? Ooh, I feel like it's really white. Yep, it's too light for me. But this is how it looks like so far. I wonder if I turn down my lights. Turn down the lights a little bit, but I feel like it's still a little too light. What do you guys think? So far, it really gives me skin finish. It does give me a little bit of a glow, but I'm not sure if it's because of the moisturizer that's giving me a slight glow too. But I can tell it's a little pink, this color. But we're just gonna have to go with it and see. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other side. So this foundation actually, I look so ghostly white. So this foundation actually is really, really nice. I just wish I got this in the shade. I should have bought another one just in case, but I was a little discouraged because the lighting, it just seems so like dark on me and I didn't want to look orangey. Looking yellow is fine, I just didn't want to look too orangey. So I'm gonna give you a closer look of just the foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. Hopefully the bronzer will deepen it a little bit. Oh my god, even my hands are darker than my face. So I did deepen my contour and bronzer more than I usually do just because I felt like it was just so light. It actually did help out a little bit. I do still feel a little bit lighter than my body. So I may need to go into store and exchange this for a deeper shade. I think I'm gonna jump the shade up to the 11 or 12. I forget which one it was. So far looking at the foundation, it does give me a skin finish. I do feel a little bit cakey, and to be honest, I don't know if it's my skin. Do you guys see any little weird separations here? Oh, there's one right there. I see a little separation around here. As you guys know, I haven't been really powdering. I mean, that could be the main thing that separates a little bit just because I use a powder to set any liquid formulation. I'm gonna use my highlighter powder because I don't want to add too much foundation coverage to disturb the color of the foundation or make it too cakey. This powder, I feel like it's just gonna set it so it doesn't separate, which it totally did around my nose earlier. So I think this is gonna definitely help. I do have some texture here, and it's not the foundation, guys, it's my skin. So I definitely need to exfoliate my skin a little bit tonight when I get home. So far, the finish of the foundation is super soft. It feels a little tacky, but tacky where I feel like it's a moisturizer tacky. Once again, this foundation does have a lot of skincare benefits, so maybe that is why. I have some cakiness under here, and once again, it's not the foundation, it's my skin. So I purposely did not want to use any primer for this foundation because I wanted to see how the application goes on. Not sticky or tacky anymore, it actually feels really nice. The coverage of this is actually really nice and even. It didn't cover too much of my redness or my freckles, which is again totally fine because I don't want it to have caked on makeup that you can see the layers. I just have a lot of texture and pores around here, so that's what I see first, which I dislike. But overall, the foundation application is actually really nice. So here are my final thoughts. Overall, I love this foundation. It's a beautiful finish. The package is to die for. The price of this, which is $68, is not bad, being that it is a 1.18 ounce. Most traditional foundations are 1 ounce, so I think the price point is not too bad at all. This foundation is a water based, free of oils, parabens, talc, fragrance, which is a plus to me. Now, some of you guys are wondering if she's vegan cruelty free. Cruelty free for sure, but vegan, I don't think so. But as long as none of these ingredients and products are tested on animals, it wins my heart. So I really hoped you guys enjoyed this demo and review, first impressions on the new Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. That is a mouthful. If you guys liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I have more videos coming up. If you guys got this far into the video for fun, go ahead and comment below new, as in new foundation. I love to read your comments. Don't be shy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!